Okay guys, I have fungus gnats. You know those gnats that are always flying around like in this, like a little ball, and they're rolling around together? Those are fungus gnats, and I have them in my grass and in my mulch. Mostly, they're probably in my mulch after doing, tons and tons of reading about what kind of flies they were. Turns out they're fungus gnats, and most of them are larvae in my mulch. And I found what will kill them. The ingredient that is in mosquito dunks is what will kill the larva. So I've concocted a plan in my mind that I'm going to take these mosquito dunks, break them up throughout my flower bed, drop them in, and when we get this fabulous rain that's on its way now, as you can see, it's getting cloudy here, I'm going to see what happens. Will it reduce my number of fungus gnats? So, what else can we do but try? Let's try. I'm gonna open this pack here. How about one? Break it up. And when it rains, it'll kind of soak down into the mulch. I think I'm gonna put some under the mulch so it stays moist. Now, finished with that. Now that I'm out here though, while I'm out here, I'm going to tell you about this other little nifty thing that I did this summer, spring and summer, that I did last spring and summer. I put out a container of water. Now, last year I was doing it I put some fly bait in a container to attract the flies away from my patio. So this year, but I also put a dunk in, the same dunk that I just put in my flower bed. This year I did it again, and I came across this little woman who was saying put grass or weeds in the water as well, because as we know, mosquitoes tend to harbor into trees and such, right? So I placed this under my tree this year, and I put a mosquito dunk in it, as you can see. Look at my little container there. And let me tell you guys, between last year and this year, it has really served me well. This time last year, I could not stand under this tree without being bitten 5 or 6 times. Okay, it would have ran me inside. But this container here has really helped with controlling the number of mosquitoes that are out and about in my yard. It's about controlling the population. I know that I will never decimate it, but I can control it in my yard. And as we know, soon after mosquitoes lay their eggs, they die off. So I think this has really, really helped me. So you guys need to think about this for maybe next year, or you can really still do it this year. Just pop a mosquito dunk inside that water and keep it away from your patio. So like my patio is way over here, and my tree, and I have it sitting under the tree. I mean, even when I cut grass, I used to cut grass, and as soon as I come under this tree, it's like the mosquitoes would smell me. The mosquitoes would smell me and come running over, okay? I'm not having that this year. This spring, this summer, that bucket, I think is doing wonders. I think you should try it. I mean, it's worth a try. You never know. Things might go your way. I think they're going my way this year. So, yay for that. So, try it.